Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And you can see the sign right there, Largo do Senado. But right here is Largo do São Domingos. So lighting is just about perfect. So yeah, this square is huge. And you can see these giant doors as well. Okay, so let me try to capture the lighting here. So yeah, this is a little, I want to capture this pop mark. So there we go. Okay, so we're going to focus on this St. Dominic Square. And I'll give you a little context, and I'll try to show you the context of what's all around here, including St. Dominic's Church, and just how big those doors are, and all the people in this area as well. And the lighting is just kind of coming on, so I'm going to try to make sure I can capture the lighting of the feel of it as well. So anyways, this is going to be St. Dominic's. I'm also going to go down St. Dominic Street a little bit, and different directions around here. So here we go, Largo de São Domingos 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So Largo de São Domingos. So let's just kind of take a quick browse around here so we can get some context to our square. If we were to keep going down this way, it would go all the way out to Senado Square, which is straight ahead right there. And I'm just going to look at some of these little side streets right here. And then this one is a, I think it's called St. Dominic's as well. But this one is Travessa. It's a lane. So you can see the sign right there. And this is kind of quiet tonight. There's a nice Portuguese restaurant up probably where those people are looking into the menu, I think. This one has yoga. It's like a yoga studio in here. But our focus is to the right, but we're gonna just briefly go to the left and just try to give a little bit of context to this neighborhood. So yeah, trying to capture this lighting as well. So we got a Sasa store as well. And I'm gonna kind of casually move this direction, capturing some of these buildings as well. There's a Mercado down that way. It's actually called Mercado. It's like South Mercado Street, Mercado of St. Dominic's, São Domingo. But we're gonna just capture this whole space. And you can see the sign right there, Largo do Senado. But right here is Largo do São Domingos. So lighting is just about perfect. So we are going to keep going down, navigating. We're going to navigate to the left. Let me kind of give you some context of stuff. Historic center of Macau, St. Dominic Square, right there. So that's basically where we are. And to this side, it has more information as well. There's our church for St. Dominic's Square, São Domingos Church. We're gonna move around this way a little bit. Come around like that. So yeah, this square is huge. And you can see these giant doors as well. Let's open up into this space a little bit. Yeah, it looks nice. It's kind of cool with that yellow one right there. Let's move over a little bit. Oh, really cool. Yeah, it's nice in here. So we're gonna move towards St. Dominic's street and kind of go up to that, give you the full context of this area. And of course you got these giant doors. Can't really get the context of how big these doors are, but you can see the context of these people right here. So yeah, that door, those doors are like 2 stories high, maybe. Yeah, and actually the people are great when they stand in front of them because you can get the full context of it. Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. So right there it does say Largo de Domingos right there on that street sign. Plus we got more information here about the church in English. 1587, Dominican, connection with Mexico, Acapulco. Fatima, it's also connected too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. We'll go down Rua de Domingos. And you got some nice lighting right there too. And we're gonna go down to this, to the end of, this is called Rua de Domingos Street. And I'm gonna go down to the center part right here, and then I'm gonna turn around just because the lighting is fantastic. And then I'll give you a little context to stuff because this is a nice centerpiece right here. So right here, the centerpiece, this is Rua de Palha and Rua de Sao Paulo. So this goes all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins if we were to go all the way down that direction. Go down and up. This way is towards the Portuguese consulate, Portuguese embassy, and a Portuguese bookstore. So all of those go straight this way. And then down this way is Sé, that goes up to Sé Cathedral, Sé Church. So let me kind of capture all of this like that. And you can see the sign right there, Travessa de Sé. So right there is Travessa de Sé. St. Dominic Street goes up to that spot right there, which is the Portuguese bookstore. And then that turns into Rua de Palasca de Silva. Pedro Nalesca de Silva. But of course ours is going to be this one that this is that goes up to the Sao Paulo ruins, and this goes to St. Dominic's. Some nice buildings around this area. Okay, so let me try to capture the lighting here. So yeah, this is a little, I want to capture this pop mart. So there we go. All those beautiful buildings like that. Hello. Okay. So I'm gonna move over to the other side of the street, going towards Pop Mart. this side, and you can see all these buildings as well. Okay, so we're gonna head back down our street. Yeah, it's Macau's a pretty cool city. It's even a tree up at the top of that building. Must be a rooftop. Okay, so we're gonna walk back down. Try to capture the architecture along the way. It's cool Portuguese architecture, colonial Portuguese style. And then we're gonna go back to the square, including St. Dominic's. Now we're back at the square again, back at St. Dominic's Church again. These giant pillars, giant door. And we're gonna come straight into the middle here. And I'm gonna navigate through the middle. And let's see. And that's at Soundcloud Square area again. That's our sign again. Some stores to the side. And then that's our church, St. Dominic's. And on that note, we're gonna end it right there. So it's St. Dominic's Sonato 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.